Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hey guys, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Varun Namdar, here with tasty, delicious and healthy tiffin recipes for every single school day. Today, let's make spaghetti tomato aioli. Well, every kid loves pasta and I'm here to give it a tomatoey twist along with some veggies. On that note, let's make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. Let's first begin with heating a pan and adding in a teaspoon of oil. Once the oil heats up, the first thing that goes in is chopped garlic, lots of it. Well, aioli is a predominantly garlic flavored sauce, so we need to do justice to that. Next, once this is sauteed, I'll be adding in some vegetables, peppers, along with baby corn, carrots, and American corn. We need to give this a good mix. And the vegetables need to be cooked for roughly 2 minutes. After a few mixes, and when you figure out that the vegetables have kind of 3/4 cooked, I'll be adding in some cream. Along with this, salt, pepper, chopped parsley, and finally, Kissan Tomato Ketchup. I'm using this because it's made from 100% sustainably sourced tomatoes, and also I was talking about a tomatoey zing. Well, this adds that lovely flavor. Let's give this a mix. We need to reduce the flame and add in spaghetti. Well, I'm using regular spaghetti. You can add in whole wheat. We could also use gluten-free. The choice is yours. We need to add in just a touch of water to give it a little saucy consistency. Allow this to cook for a minute on high flame. Once this is done and ready, we need to turn the flame off and cool this for a while. In the interim, let's pack the tiffin. Some kiwis, and along with this, some toasted cashew nuts. Finally, a spaghetti tomato aioli. Well, I hope this recipe has excited you enough to make it for your child. For more such delicious and tasty recipes, do not forget to subscribe to India Food Network. I'll be back soon to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.